Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all super well. Today's video is super exciting because it's been sponsored by GHD. Honestly, absolutely love the brand. I have done for so many years, so it's really exciting that they've sponsored today's video. Also, just a little note, sorry if you can hear like a fan or humming in the background. I've got a fan on me because it's so hot right now. The weather is amazing outside, but yeah, it gets a bit hot in my studio, so sorry for that. But yeah, you guys might have seen on my Instagram stories the other day me mentioning the GHD Gold Styler and the fact that I was going to be using it in my next YouTube video, which is the video today. So exciting. GHD have launched the Gold Styler, which is this one right here. I will get back to that in a second because I just wanted to let you know that they've got an amazing offer on at the moment. They've got 20% off the GHD Gold Styler on their website, so I will pop a link below, and the offer ends on the 12th of July. So yeah, make sure you grab one if you want to treat yourself or someone else, because the offer does end soon and it's an amazing offer. You don't want to miss out on that. So yeah, I'm so excited that they sponsored today's video because I have absolutely loved GHD and the brand for so many years now. Like, I remember having their styling iron back when I was probably 12, I reckon. And yeah, like their products last for years. I remember my first pair of straighteners lasted for like 8 years or something. It was absolutely ridiculous. Yeah, I love their products. I love their styling products. I love their electrical tools. Like, they're just an amazing brand and they really know what they're doing with hair. And I just feel like their products just always make my hair feel good, look good. And yeah, I'm so excited. So I'm going to be talking to you about the GHD Gold Styler in today's video, and I'm going to be showing you 3 ways you can use it. So obviously I love having my hair straight, so I'm going to show you guys how I straighten my hair and do my fringe, because that's also quite interesting because I've got a fringe now. And then I'm also going to show you how I create waves and how I curl my hair, because I get asked a lot of questions on how I create those kind of wavy curly looks. So I thought it would be really interesting to show you the techniques that I do using the GHD Gold Styler. So yeah, let's get to it. Here is the GHD Gold Styler. Let's come in a little bit closer. Looking absolutely beaut. I love their design. It's so chic and sleek. This is literally the perfect tool for everybody to create so many different looks with. It's great for quick styling and it's proven to deliver sleek, smooth and healthy hair. And honestly, it's so true. I've been using it for years and that is literally what it does to my hair. Also, how insane is this? GHD sell 4 of their stylers every minute around the globe. That to me just proves that this is an amazing product. So yeah, super excited. Show you guys 3 looks. Let's get going. Let's turn them on. Ooh, I love the fact that they've got a beeping noise. It's just super handy, so you know that when you plug them in, they've turned on. When you switch the button on, they've turned on. And also, I'm pretty sure when you switch them off, it makes a noise too, so you know that they've turned off. So good. Right, before I get started, I am going to prep. Oh, makes another beeping noise. That means that they're ready to go. They heat up so quick. So first off, I'm going to be applying some heat protect spray to my hair. Super important. You want to protect your hair from heat damage. So yeah, always use a heat protect spray before you blow dry, before you use your styling iron. Yeah, always use. Good tip. And I love the GHD one. It smells amazing as well. So yeah, just a few spritz all over your hair. I'm also just going to grab their detangling comb just to make sure I've not got any knots. And then I'm going to section my hair. Now you're probably thinking my hair is already straight, and it is, but I always feel like the ends, like my hair always kind of flicks like that when I blow dry it, and like I like the ends of my hair to kind of come under a little bit. There's also just something about the GHD Gold Styler that it just makes your hair really sleek and like shiny and smooth and soft, and you can't really, I don't know, I can't explain it. You can achieve that by just straightening your hair. It's the weirdest thing, but it's so good. Right, let's get going. So all I literally do, start at the top and drag it down and just kind of curl it under at the ends a little bit. Just because then I feel like my hair just looks a lot kind of sleeker and it's more styled and done. Like the difference already in that little bit to this bit, it's just added a bit more oomph as well. Like when I go to the top of my root, I kind of push the underneath of the styler up and drag it down and curl it under at the end, and like you get just a little bit of oomph at the root compared to this side. See what I mean? It just lifts it a little bit, and this side's super flat. There's so many different techniques you can use with this styler, and yeah, it's amazing. So many different ways that you can have your hair. So yeah, I'm just going to continue doing this, and then we will get on to my fringe.
Posting pictures on the gram so other people know that we're more than friends. And ever since you...
Also, the reason I section my hair is just that it makes it easier, and also I feel like it's better to work with smaller sections of hair to create the style that you want, like whether it's a curl or whether you want it straight or waved, rather than using like thick bits of your hair, because it just doesn't, the heat just doesn't kind of penetrate through the big section that you've got.
Came around, I've never been sober, always in my head. Met you at a time when I was so low, went from just talking to taking you home. I don't wanna go back to who I used to be, so if you ever leave me, promise you won't let me down.
Look how soft and silky my hair feels and looks now. Like, so fab. Right, now we get on to my fringe. So for this, because my fringe is so dead straight, all I do is I grab my fringe between my fingers, I pop the styler like so, and I drag it forwards and make sure I'm kind of holding it at an angle so it curls. My fringe is getting long. I only cut it the other day, so yeah, we'll do that again. So we kind of curl it under, and to be fair, the more you curl it, the shorter it gets. So yeah, if it is a little bit long, just curl it a little bit more, just in case, you know, you don't want to cut it yourself and you can't get to the salon. I also quite like having a little bit of like a curly kind of volumized fringe as well. I feel like it looks really cute. And then when we get to the sides here, just kind of curl the sides out away from my face. But yeah, oh my god, it's looking fab already. Honestly, I wouldn't use any other electrical tools on my hair because GHD is just so good. And I'm not just saying that, because you guys see me use these in every single one of my hair tutorials when I need to like curl or straighten my hair, so you guys know. So yeah, this is like my first look. This is like my everyday kind of go-to look if I'm kind of in a bit of a rush, because I can straighten my hair super quick. The plaits here are so soft and your hair just glides through. But yeah, this is my first look, guys. I know it's very basic, but I just wanted to show you that I do straighten my hair. Like, it is naturally straight anyway, but I just like to do it just to kind of curl it in. I use the stylers on my fringe. So good for a fringe. And just the fact that my hair is just so like, look, my fingers just run through it. Honestly, it's amazing. Another product GHD do that's really, really good is their Smooth and Finish Serum. So you can pump just a little one pump into your fingers, and then this is really, really, really great to just kind of tap the top of your hair and run your hands down. And I don't know whether you can see, but it's kind of stopped all those little like flyaways, and it just really smoothed down my hair. I also like doing it on the ends of my hair as well, just in case there's any little bits flicking out, and kind of just run my hair into like a little ponytail. And like, it's fab. Super chic, sleek and smooth. I love it. But yeah, so that is look one, guys.
With with a happy end. Yeah, but sometimes you can't handle your emotions.
So the next look I'm going to show you guys is how to create like beachy kind of waves with the GHD Gold Styler. Now it is a little bit fiddly to do this, but I thought I would show you guys because this is something that you can practice on at home, especially because it's still kind of in a bit of a weird lockdown kind of phase with the pandemic. So yeah, I'm going to get started on this. So I'm just going to comb through my hair again, and we're going to section it, and then we're going to take a section of hair and kind of push it upwards so it kind of creates this curve, and you're just going to tap the styler on that curve, and then you're going to bend the bottom of your hair the other way and push it through the styler so it's curved, and then it creates this beautiful wave. Now it is a little bit fiddly, but yeah, I'm going to keep doing that. I'll show you another one. So you push the hair up so it kind of creates a curve at the top, and you just keep tapping on that curve, and then you push your hair through and kind of curve it the other way. Keep tapping like so, and we can even do that the other way, so keep alternating. But yeah, once we have our hair at the end, it will look really kind of beachy wavy. So I'm going to speed this up.
It's getting closer to midnight. I try to get closer to you, drinking courage from my red cup now. I will soon make a move. Taste it, the bittersweetness of taking a shot, a risk worth taking. If it's a shot of love, baby, I adore you. Maybe I adore you. Yeah, I'm feeling high, I'm up on cloud nine. Baby, I adore you.
Right, that is it. So it does take a little bit longer than, you know, straightening your hair, for example, but I just love the way that it makes my hair look really kind of like voluminous, textured, really like messy, beachy kind of waves. I love it. Like, it's so fun. And I just leave my fringe. And yeah, I don't really touch my fringe. Obviously I would just curl it under, but yeah, I don't do anything with my fringe. I kind of just leave that. And then you can grab some Final Fix hairspray from GHD, and this is great to just kind of spray all over your hair and kind of like scrunch up the ends, really kind of zhuzh it up. And like, I just have so much texture to my hair right now. I love it. And I just love the fact that all the waves are so different. So yeah, this is like a messy kind of beachy 90s edgy hair look.
If it's a shot of love, baby, I adore you. Maybe I adore you. Yeah.
Then for my third and final look, I'm going to show you how to use the GHD Gold Styler to create some really beautiful curls. So let's turn them on and section my hair again. So when I curl my hair with the GHD Gold Styler, I basically take a small section, I flip the styler up like this, I go in, grip it together, and then I will twist and then kind of drag down. Hello! And it has created this really beautiful ringlet curl. Love it. So I'll show you again. So grab a section, flip it this way, grip it together, twist just once, and then you kind of drag down, and it creates this curl. How beautiful! Like, It's so easy to do. It's just getting the position and angle right of the GHD Gold Styler. But yeah, I love it. I love these kind of curls because these are the sort of curls you can sleep in, like with like a silk hair wrap, and they'll still be fab the next day. They'll just be a little bit loose. But yeah, so I'm going to keep doing that, and then I will show you the finished look.
You know the drama is never ending. Don't let it get the best of you. And all the fake friends just keep pretending that.
So when I get round to the other side, obviously I am a right-handed, so it is a little bit tricky, but I still try and do the same thing. It's just a little bit more difficult on this side in terms of like twisting your hand, but yeah, I try to do exactly the same.
Paralyzing every pore, oh, you feel it taking over you. To the center of your core, the lies are getting over you.
Another way you could curl your hair though is grabbing the styler and holding it this way round, and then turn and pull so it's not upside down, and that still creates really beautiful curls.
When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm, do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby.
So now I've curled my hair, we can break up the curls, or you can leave them. It depends what kind of look you want to go for. I love flipping my hair over when I have curls, kind of like to get rid of my parting. I feel like it looks really cute, and like tucking this side behind my ear and zhuzhing it up. Like, I just love the fact that there's just so much volume. Is so fab. I also love to grab the Final Fix hairspray just to fix kind of my look in place, especially on my roots. This just holds the curls in as well. And yeah, that is my third and final look. So more volume, bouncy curls. It is still a little bit like messy, it's very textured looking, but I love it because the curls are just so like my hair is so bouncy. I love it. It's so fab. So yeah, they were my 3 ways that you can use the GHD Gold Styler with your hair looks, whether you want straight hair, wavy hair, curly, bouncy hair. Like, there are so many different ways you can use a GHD Gold Styler. I have so many more ideas that I could have shown you, but obviously it could only really fit 3 in this video. I really hope you enjoyed watching. I really hoped it was informative and you've learnt some new techniques. Again, I have popped a link below to all the products that I've used from GHD. There's a link to their website. Don't forget, you can get 20% off the GHD Gold Styler until the 12th of July. So yeah, make sure you buy it before that date just so you can get a fabulous 20% discount. Please give this video a thumbs up if you loved it. Also, follow GHD Hair because I actually follow them on Instagram because they have some amazing hair tips and tricks and different hairstyling ideas. They work with a lot of hairstylists, so I love following their Instagram for hair inspiration. Yeah, do check them out because there's lots of ideas over on their page that you can do with your hair and other ways that you can use a GHD Gold Styler. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and I will see you in another video very, very soon. Mwah. Peace out.